This is Gloria.
This is Kylie.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Today we will recommend some hot sale door hinge and cabinet rack to you.
Yes.
Okay, let's go on.
Yeah.
First one is this door hinge. Do you know the material?
Yes, we have two kinds of material.
Yes.
One is 201 and another one is 304 stainless steel.
Yes. And for this part, we could make the material be iron and stainless steel.
Yes.
Yes. And this is 4 inch. The length, which we check the size to you.
It's about 100 millimeter.
Yes. And for the length, I check the size. It's about 75 millimeter.
How
About 3 inch.
thickness?
Yes.
Let's check it.
Yeah, we have many different thickness. This
Yes.
one is 2 millimeter.
Yes. We also have 3 millimeter.
Yes.
Yes. And how about the pin? Do
Yeah.
you know the inside? What?
Inside, we could do stainless steel and iron, right?
And yes, right.
And this is, we have the ball bearing here.
Yeah.
This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ball bearing.
Yes.
And we have different colors. This is black color, gold color.
Gold color.
Yes.
Yes. Centigold.
Yes.
It's centigold.
Same, just different colors.
Color.
And we also have different size of the diameter.
It's about 12 millimeter.
Yes, 12 millimeter. Hello. And we could sell this one with the screws. The screws could be iron or be stainless steel.
Yes, like this.
Yeah, like this one.
One base for screws.
Yes, one hinge, as you could see here, have 8 holes, so we could give you 8 pieces screws.
Yes, but yes, if more, we could like to prepare more screws for you.
Yes. If you need the different size of the screws, we also could produce for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so I asked, what they are different compared with these two size.
Yes, this one is without ball bearing. This one have ball bearing here, and this one without ball bearing. But it looks similar, right?
Yes, it's similar.
And the size, this is smaller. This is bigger.
Bigger.
Yeah.
And redder.
Yes.
More stainless steel.
Yes. Yeah, this is just our 4 inch size. We also have 5 inch type.
This one?
This is our 5 inch. What's the means of 5 inch? Which size is 5 inch?
5 inch is about 165 millimeter, right?
Yes. It's
Or
from
75.
here to here. The length is 5 inch.
Yes, 5 inch. And the thickness can be different.
Yes.
So it just depends on what you need. And we also have different color.
Yes. And as you could see, 4 inch size have 4 holes, and 5 inch size have 5 holes. Yeah, so
Wow.
this is the difference. How about the packing?
Packing?
Yeah.
Oh, packing is about one pair, one small box like this.
Yes.
And we also have the white color box,
Yes.
white color small box. And for the normal spring token, tokens can pack 550 pairs per carton.
Yes.
Like this.
Yeah. Just show inside to our customer. I will also have blister packing.
Oh,
Yeah, blister packing. One pair in a blister packing.
and this with the poly bag.
Yeah. Inside one pieces with one poly bag. So two pieces
Two
in
pieces,
one
one
box.
small box.
Yes.
Yes, we sell it by one pair.
Yes.
And inside also have the paper.
Yes. Inside have a paper. So the surface will be not
Crunch.
scratched by our hand. Have a paper here to protect it.
Yes, protect the surface.
Yes.
Wow, it looks very beautiful.
Yes.
And the finish,
The finish is good.
yes, finish good.
Yeah.
And the finish,
Yeah.
I think it's a full finish.
Yes.
Please check it.
Okay.
This.
This
How
one
many?
is about 3 millimeter.
Wow.
Yeah, it's very strong.
Yes.
This
If
time about 2 millimeter.
different.
Yeah, this is about 3 millimeter. It's more stable.
Yes.
And in normally one wooden door will have two pieces. Yes, and if your door is heavy, we suggest you to buy 3 pieces for one wooden door.
Yeah. Like this, one pair.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay.
How about this one?
This is the push to open hinge. It could close. Yeah, close by itself.
It seems so close.
It's pushed damper type.
Wow.
Yeah, spring
It looks
inside.
hard to open.
Yes, because good quality.
Yes, I see.
Yes,
It is
and I saw it's a
very hard to
little
open. Yeah.
different in the hand.
Oh yes.
This is without the screw. And here you could see the inside pin. How about the back side?
That side.
Yes,
Oh,
here
this
have
one.
a hole here. Why we have a hole here? Because we will give you the screw to open it. Like this one.
This one.
Yes.
This.
For example, like this one. Yeah, we could send you this part to open the hinge when you fit on your wooden door.
Yeah.
How about the size? I think it's 4 inch.
Let us check it.
Okay. About 100 millimeter.
Yes, you are right. Good.
4 inch, 100 millimeter. And next one. This is the soft closing type.
So closing.
Yes. This is push to open, and this is soft closing. Yeah. And you could open it, then it will be soft closing.
Like this.
Yes. When you open to 90 degree and you just left your hand, you will be soft closing.
Oh.
Yes.
Got it.
Like this. And the material is also stainless steel. Yes. And we have aluminum type. Yes.
This one.
This is aluminum.
Wow. It is hard to. Oh, I know how to open it. This one,
Yes.
right?
Give us sometimes to open. It's very strong.
Come.
Okay. And just so you could see the material is very good, and the finish is brush.
Yes.
And this is very big. I'll check the size to you. It's very big.
I see. You can use it in the heavy dough.
Yes.
Yeah.
Heavy and big dough.
Wow. So
It's about 24 millimeter. Wow.
24.
Yes.
Oh.
Very big. And we could adjust these screws to adjust when you want to make it open big, fast or slow. You could adjust this screw.
Wow.
Yes. This size is 6 inch. 6 inch.
6 inch. Wow.
155. About 155. Yeah, you could use it in a big dog.
Yes.
Hello,
Large
new
work
friends.
capacity.
Yes. Okay, next one is the
Mother-in-law hinge.
yes.
Mother-in-law hinge. Yes.
Yeah,
This type is very popular in the market.
yes,
So,
a little different.
Yes, different. And the size of that are different.
Yes. The size is about 4 inch.
4 inch.
Yes.
Please let me check it. I like to check the size for you.
Yes.
Yes. Oh yes, good. Yes,
100 millimeter.
Yes, it's true.
And this one is normal without soft clothing. We have the soft clothing one.
This one.
Yes.
Oh, it's hot. It's hot.
Yes.
Like this.
Yeah, this is normal. This one is soft clothing.
That's true.
Yeah,
Oh,
spring type.